Hello there sewing friends, you're welcome back to my channel. It's Fola here. In today's tutorial we'll be learning how to make this beautiful flare ruffle puff sleeve. You can see how beautiful it looks and how puffy it looks. It is cut out using the full circle, and as you can see it has no elastic. I only made use of band at the sleeve opening. Before we go over to the work table, click on the subscribe button down below if you are yet to subscribe to my channel. Click on it right now and subscribe. Also turn on the post notification bell so you get notified each time I upload a new video. Thank you for doing that. Now, without further ado, let's go over to the work table. So guys, the first thing you will need is your basic sleeve pattern. I have a detailed tutorial on how to achieve that, and I'll put the link in the description box below. You can check it out. So the length of the sleeve will be 11 inches, but 2 inches will be for the band. So when we take away 2 from 11, that will be 9 inches. So the length I'll be working with for the circle is 9 inches. Now for the 9 inches, I will add extra 4 inches to the length, both to the 2 inches for the upper part and 2 inches for the lower part. This is just to achieve more fullness. So by the time I gather it, there won't be any shortness. So I will add extra 4 inches to the 9 inches, that is 13 inches. So that will be for the length. So 13 inches for the length. Now I will go to the armhole round. This is in order to calculate the radius. Since we are cutting it in the circular form, the first thing I'll do is to take the measurement of what I have around my armhole. This is 9.5 inches, and I'll multiply that by 2. 9.5 times 2, that is 19 inches. Then I will add extra 5 inches to that. Extra 5 inches, that is 19 plus 5 inches, that is 24 inches, because I want to have some pleats around the armhole area. So that is 24 inches. Now I will divide 24 by 6.28, which is the standard for calculating the full circle flare. So 24 divided by 6.28, that is 3.8. So I'll just approximate it to 4 inches. So the radius is 4 inches while the length is 13 inches. And 13 plus 4, that is 17 inches. This is the leftover fabric I have for the second sleeve, which I'm about to make, and I have more than enough. You can see I folded it twice. First in this manner. I think this is the right side. Okay. First in this manner. I need 17 inches. Okay, then I'll fold again for the second time. Can you see? So this is how to achieve your full circle. You fold in like manner. Now the radius is 4 inches. I'll measure 4 inches round for the radius in like manner. Then the length of the sleeve is 13 inches, but I'll measure from here. You can take your 13 inches from here and measure round, but for accuracy I will take the measurement from here and measure 17 inches. So that is that. Then I will cut out. First I will cut out the radius. You see, this is what we have. Then I'll notch this part. This will be the part that will be on the underarm and the shoulder tip. So I need to open one side. The part that will be on the underarm, I will open it. Now this is what we have. Then can you see how circular it is? Then on the first sleeve that I showed you, I just did a little ruffles. I measured 10 inches at the bottom like this and take the measurement by 3 inches. 3 inches, 6 inches, and 9 inches. This will be the points where I take the ruffles. Let me do that on the wrong side. That would be a lot. That would be easier when I'm taking the ruffles. So I'll measure 10 inches in like manner. You see, this is the wrong side now. Then 3 inches interval, 6 inches, then 9 inches. That 3 is okay. Then I'll turn it round again. From the down part here, measure 10 inches, and also 3 inches, 6 inches. That is why I'm putting the mark, which will be the points I'll take the ruffles from. Now you can totally ignore this part. All these ruffles, you can totally ignore them. So it's on preference. Now I'll take this to the sewing machine now and be picking where I marked the 3, 6, 9 inches that I marked. I won't do anything to this point. I just use it to know where my markings will be. So I'll just go to the sewing machine and pick it up, squeeze it in like manner, and stitch. That is all you have to do. So guys, the markings I put there where I chalked, I'll now pick them one after the other and twist and sew. Just twist it once. Can you see? This is the first. I'll pick it, I'll twist it once, and then I will sew. So guys, this is the result of the twist I did. This is the wrong side, while this is the right side. Can you see how beautiful it looks? Now the next thing I'll do is to take it to my sewing machine and run the longest stitch at the hem here. That is the part that will be joined to the band. I'll run the longest stitch through it and gather it. I'll gather it. So I'll go and do that now and show you the results. So guys, I already gathered the sleeve opening. Can you see? I already gathered it. You can, if you have an overlocking machine, you can finish up the edge with an overlocking machine before you gather it, but I will conceal it in the band. So like I said, I'm using a band of 2 inches, but here I have on fold I have 2.5 inches, because I'll be taking in 1/2 inch on both sides. So that's what I'll do now. I will attach the sleeve, the circle itself, to the band. So to conceal the edges in the band, the wrong side of the circle sleeve itself will face the right side of the band. Can you see? This is the wrong side and this is the right side of the band. So wrong side facing the right side. So I will attach it in like manner. There is need for you to just put a little pleat. You can, but I don't think I need that because it's accurate. So this is I've joined one part of the band to the sleeve. As you can see, the measurement I have here is the measurement around the sleeve opening. That is where my sleeve will reach. So the opening at that point, and for me it is 11, and I added 2 inches to it. That is for the seam allowance on both sides. So I have 13 inches here. So I will take in 1 inch. By the time I want to join both sides together, I will take in 1 inch side seam allowance. Can you see? So now we'll go and close up the edges at this point. So I'll take it to the sewing machine now and stitch it. So it will be like I top stitch on it on the right side, just to close up the edges. So guys, this is the wrong side. Can you see how neat it is? And let me turn it to the right side. This is the right side. I already concealed the edges in the band. Can you see? Now what I will do is to join this part to the armhole area of the dress. So this is the dress. So what I'll do is to join it. This will be the parts that will be at the underarm, and this part will be at the shoulder points. So I will pleat whatever excess I have here towards the shoulder tip area. So guys, this is the final result of the circle puff sleeve that we made. Can you see how beautiful it looks? Can you see? Thank you guys for joining me. We've come to the end of today's tutorial. If this tutorial has been helpful, give me a giant thumbs up and also share this video. If you are yet to subscribe to my channel, click on the subscribe button down below and subscribe. Also turn on the post notification bell so you get notified each time I upload a new video. I love you. Bye.